Light welcome to day 2 Reset Confidence. This is about decisions, not perfect ones, honest ones. Take a breath and not rush, just real and let it out. Notice where your body is touching something solid, the chair, the floor. You don't need to figure anything out right now. You don't need to decide anything yet. If your mind jumps ahead, that's normal. Just bring it back to the breath. Let your shoulders drop. Even a little helps. Confidence doesn't start as loud certainty. It starts as calm presence. You're allowed to be here without pressure. Another slow breath in and out. I am noticing how often I question myself. I am becoming aware without judging it. I am letting awareness replace tension. You are allowed to notice patterns gently. You are not wrong for hesitating before. I am reminding myself that doubt is not danger. I am learning that uncertainty does not mean failure. I am staying with myself instead of pulling away. You are allowed to pause and still move forward. You are allowed to learn as you go. I trust myself with money and opportunities. I trust that I can respond when things change. I trust that I don't need all the answers first. You're more capable than your fears suggest. You're allowed to trust your experience. I am noticing how my chest feels when I see that I am breathing to the tight spots. I am letting confidence grow quietly. You don't need to feel bold all at once. You just need to feel present. My decisions lead me to growth. My choices don't need to be perfect to be useful. You're allowed to count your progress. You're allowed to stop replaying old mistakes. I am moving forward without hesitation. I am choosing momentum over overthinking. I'm letting action be simple. You're allowed to choose and adjust later. You are not trapped by one decision. I'm trusting myself even when the outcome is unknown. I am becoming comfortable deciding and moving on. You don't need permission to move forward. You already have enough information to begin. Pause. Breathe. Choose. I am allowed to trust myself. I am allowed to grow through my choices. You are ready for what comes next. Day 2 is complete.